Hi everyone, today we'll be unboxing the Corsair K57 RGB wireless keyboard. I got this keyboard because it allows me to switch between 3 different devices via the wireless dongle or the Bluetooth function, and I have a space problem at home because I'm working from home nowadays due to COVID, and I do not have space to place 2 keyboards on my table for my personal desktop and my work laptop. Now let's take a look at what is inside the box. The box is very simple. Once you open it, you will see the keyboard there. The warranty guide, which I'm quite sure nobody really use it. The playthrough whatever, not that I know what it means. And once you review the beneath, right, you will see the charging cable as well as the palm rest. The palm rest is detachable, so if you don't use it, just keep it somewhere. When I hold the cable, right, it looks really tough. I don't expect it to spoil anytime soon, which is a good thing. And now let's take a look at the keyboard itself. When I hold it, it feels really light compared to my Logitech keyboard, and once you lift it up, you will see the on-off switch on top of it and the compartment where the wireless dongle is being kept. Now let's bring it in for some testing. Once I plug it to my desktop, I can see this beautiful RGB lighting just lit up. To set this up, you have to download the iCube software for you to configure the lighting as well as the macro buttons. I gotta say, the lighting functions for Corsair seems to be better than Logitech from what I can remember. And the all-useful multimedia key for your media. And the secret to its lightweight is because of the material. Let's compare it to the Logitech G810 keyboard. At first glance, the K57 looks better than the G810 because of how the whole keyboard illuminates up. And when I test the key, as you can hear, the K57 is slightly quieter than the G810, which makes working at night way better. Switching between devices is really easy. Just hold the function key as well as the wireless or the Bluetooth key, and you can just switch between your devices. My verdict is, if I can overcome the macro keyboard's ergonomics of the keyboard, right, I think I will enjoy this keyboard for my work and personal use a lot. And I think it's really a good investment for people who work from home a lot and you have really space constraint. And that's all for my review. Thanks for watching. Till next time, take care. Please like and subscribe.